Guys, so I got an order through for a set of these wings, but LED version, so I'm going to show you how I did it. So the material that I'm going to use is the same stuff you use to put underneath your laminate flooring. It's weather resistant, it's lightweight, and it's quite durable. I wanted each petal to be around about the same size, so I measured 10-inch rectangles and cut all those out, shaping each of the rectangles into a curved point, creating the basic shape for each of the feathers. Once I had the feathers cut out, I then moved on to the main body of the wing. I folded the foam into 4 pieces and then cut them all out at the same time, making sure that each one was the same size. Once I had 2 front and 2 back cut out, I then moved on to this nifty little bit of gear, me hot glue gun, gluing each of the feathers down individually. This is definitely the most time consuming part of the whole process, but once you have those feathers laid out, your wings are starting to take shape. This hyperlapse definitely doesn't do justice of how long this process actually takes. I then moved on to making the straps so that the wings would actually attach to the body. I cut 2 small ovals out of some thin plastic that was a Tupperware lid and an old yoga mat that I never used, cable tied that in place and trimmed the cable ties. This makes a strong but soft piece for the straps to attach to. I then moved on to the lights that are going to make these wings glow. I zigzagged the lights across the inside of the wing and glued them in place. This is another massively time consuming part, but it needs to be done properly because this is what people are going to see. Once the lights are in place, I then sandwich them between the front panel and the back panel of the wing, glue that in place and give it a firm press. After that it was a few finishing touches, a little fit check on myself to make sure the LEDs worked, and reveal. I don't know about you, but I think these turned out epic. These were made for a client back in the UK and I hope they enjoy them as much as I enjoyed making them. Side note, I make costumes out of unconventional materials all the time, so if that sort of thing tickles your fancy, follow for more.